Today we have with us the Waldent ProMax 450 dental suction unit. Let us now see what all is included in the packaging. First up, we have the dental suction unit, followed by air inlet hose, exhaust hose, then power cable, hose clamps, and instruction manual. Designed to enhance clinical efficiency, the Waldent dental suction unit comes with the following features. It has a quiet operation and durable construction along with advanced filtration. It also has compact design, lift handles and air vents. Let me now break down the assembly of the suction unit. Firstly, hose clamp 2751 is used to connect air inlet hose to the hole. Tighten the clamp with a screwdriver. Then the other end of the hose is connected to the dental chair. And then the hose clamp 4063 is used to connect the exhaust hose to the port. Tighten it the same way with the screwdriver. The cable is connected to the dental chair. The power cable is attached to the main unit and it is switched on. While using other equipments like a rotor, you can get same suction power from Waldent ProMax 450 dental suction unit. To buy this easily, you can just visit our website Dentalkart. If you found this video helpful, press the like button, subscribe and follow Dentalkart's YouTube channel. Thank you.